All iPhone 14 models to gain 2 front-facing camera upgrades. The iPhone 14 lineup will feature upgraded front-facing camera setups with at least 2 improvements, including autofocus and a wider aperture. According to insightful Apple analyst Ming Chi Kuo, all 4 f1.9 with autofocus. So you're going to get the more prettier...
The
bokers. You're going to get the more prettier bokers. Allow for more light to pass through. That's true, because it's still a small sensor. I don't know about the depth of field thing, but definitely more light for the portrait mode. And autofocus can improve focus during FaceTime and Zoom video calls. By comparison, the camera on the 13 models has a fixed focus and smaller f2.2 aperture. Fixed focus, I never even knew that. Did you know it was a fixed focus on the front?
I had no idea.
I guess you're always the same range away from it, give or take, because you have to hold it.
Yeah. Yeah, this is as far as it goes.
Interesting.
Yeah.
The upgraded front camera is expected to be integrated into the pill and hole punch shaped front-facing true depth camera array in place of the notch on the current models. The standard iPhone 14 models are expected to retain the same notch, but they'll have the upgraded camera anyways. Other features on the rear camera: 48 megapixel wide lens enabling 8K video recording, and high resolution 8K videos recorded are said to be suitable for viewing on Apple's long-rumored AR/VR headset, Kuo believes. Well, that's where Willie Doo gets involved. You start talking about headsets, you start using the keywords AR, VR, gets him going.
Horned up.
Gets him going.